Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix common Shopify errors step by step so your store runs smoothly and you avoid lost sales in 2026. Shopify is a powerful platform, but like any system, errors can happen. These issues might affect checkout, payments, products, or even how your store loads. So yeah, knowing how to identify and fix them quickly is extremely important. Start by checking your Shopify admin notifications. Shopify usually alerts you if something is wrong, like payment issues, app conflicts, or missing settings. Always review these alerts first because they often point directly to the problem. One common issue is checkout or payment errors. Make sure your payment gateways are properly connected and fully activated. Test your checkout using Shopify's test mode to confirm customers can complete purchases without errors. Another frequent problem is products not showing correctly. Check product status, inventory levels, and sales channel visibility. Sometimes products are marked as draft or out of stock, which prevents them from appearing on your storefront. App conflicts can also cause unexpected errors. If your store suddenly slows down or features stop working, review recently installed apps. Temporarily disable them one by one to identify which app is causing the issue. Theme-related errors are also very common. If your store layout looks broken or buttons stop working, preview a default Shopify theme. If the issue disappears, then the problem is likely in your current theme's customization. Shipping and tax errors can confuse customers and reduce conversions. Double-check shipping zones, rates, and tax rules for accuracy. Place test orders from different locations to ensure calculations are correct. If you see store speed or loading issues, optimize images and remove unnecessary apps. A faster store improves user experience and reduces bounce rates. If the problem still doesn't go away, contact Shopify support. They can help identify back-end issues and guide you to a fix. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.